Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will test together the new KissMe lipsticks by LiveGlam.com, and for this month we got 3 matte lipsticks. This is the 3rd month that I am subscribed to this service, and I really hope that I will like this month's lipsticks because the last 2 months I wasn't very impressed with the formula of the lipsticks. I will link down below the video so you can see the colors and also the lipsticks that I got. Without further ado, let's get started with the lip swatches. This month's theme is Forsaken Kiss, and girls just wanna have fun. Oh, girls just wanna have fun. So we have 3 matte lipsticks for this month, and if you have seen my January Kiss Me lip swatches, the only color that I liked was the grey color, and it was a very nice matte lipstick. I hope that this is the same formula for these 3. For this month the packaging is Dusty Rose Metallic. I will start with the first one. This is a bright orange color and it is called Crush. There is no doubt you will be everyone's crush with this pop of orange on your lips. Amp up any look with this shade and bring all the boys to the yard. Damn right, it's better than yours. Damn right. So let's start with Crush. Ooh, that's very vibrant. I want to see how this looks on my lips. This smells like vanilla again. I think all of the lipsticks, they smell like vanilla. Oh my god, this is so bright. So this is only with 1 dip into my tube, and the color looks amazing. If the formula dries like I want it, I'm sold. Everybody will crush on you with this lipstick. It is a little bit sticky when I press my lips together, and also the color separates right up here, and it's been a few minutes that I have worried maybe I need to leave it for 10 minutes. I don't know. So as you can see, it separates a little bit on the upper lip, and let's do our transfer proof test. So this is not completely transfer proof, and the strange thing is that the outline has transferred on my hand, and I didn't apply second layer on my outline. I only applied a very small amount on this part here that is separated, and a little bit on the lower lip. It is comfortable on the lips. It is not very thick, but you can feel that you have something on your lips. It is not completely lightweight. It was very easy to make the color opaque, and it is a little bit sticky. These are always very difficult to remove. I will bring my waterproof makeup. Just a second. I'm back! I will use my eye makeup remover by Maybelline. I have removed everything, including my foundation around my lips. Perfect! The next color is Sugar Daddy. Sugar Daddy. Never run low on lippies with a Sugar Daddy. This matte warm brown shade will have you looking as delicious as chocolate while on your shopping sprees. This also has a very mild vanilla scent. This lipstick looks amazing with my eye makeup today. I have used the Million Nude Faces eyeshadow palette by Essence, and I have done this dark brown smoky eye look. I will link it down below. Sugar Daddy is very lightweight on the lips. You don't feel it that you have it on your lips. It has a lighter consistency than the Crush lipstick, and the color is very opaque. It applies very easy, and also it dries quicker than the previous one. It reminds me a lot of the grey lipstick. It is called Midnight that I got in January. So let's see if it is transfer proof. We have just a little bit of product transferred on the back of my hand. It is a little bit sticky, and as you can see, again, I have lost some of the color. It's separated. So I will apply the 3rd color, and I will let it dry a little bit more time so I can see if this is the issue with the lipsticks. So let's move on to the 3rd color, and it is called Tease, and it said, "You're not a tease, you're just saving all of your kisses for this gorgeous lippy." This matte mahogany shade is guaranteed to land you some free drinks at the bar for you and your girls. This also has a vanilla scent. Okay, so let's pretend that my application is even and very cool and nice. It's been 10 minutes because I wanted this one to get really dry and to be 100% sure that I will not have any separation of the color. So let's do our transfer proof test first and let's see what happens with this color. So I have very minimal transfer from the outline of my lips. About the consistency of this lipstick, it is very opaque and it is lightweight on the lips. It is less heavy than the Crush one. This one was a little bit thicker in consistency. This one is lighter in consistency. So let's see if this is sticky. Oh no. This is sticky as well. As you can see, I lost some color here. There is no way that you will not press your lips during the day. And this is the issue with all the liquid lipsticks that I got from LiveGlam.com. And it is very weird because I have other liquid lipsticks by Colourpop as well. And I don't have this issue. And with this one, even when I let the lipstick dry for 10 minutes, I still have this issue. This is a deal breaker for me. That means that if I wear this lipstick, I will look like a clown if I go out. So I think I will break up with KissMe lipsticks. This subscription is 20 euros and this is the third time that I receive lipsticks that they have the same issue. When I press my lips, they are sticky and I lose the color. For now, I think I will just take a break from these lipsticks because they just don't work, and I know that if I wear them during the day, I will always be very conscious if I press my lips and I have patchiness all over my lips. I think my next subscription will be Look Fantastic. I was already subscribed 2 years ago, but I had an issue with the delivery service in Germany. I was never able to receive my box on time, so I cancelled that subscription because I always could not find where my box was. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to test another subscription service. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you in my next video. Bye! So this blah 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 blah. Oh yeah yeah.